Today, I'm going to share with you some super helpful tips for freelancers, YouTubers, remote workers, and basically anyone looking to receive payment in dollars right here in Nigeria. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel for the newbies and welcome back again if you're a returning. Thank you all so much for joining today. Chantel here for usual, the curator of this channel. Thank you so much for joining today's video. All right, we'll be diving into 10 different apps that allow you to receive payment in USD and how they work. If you've ever struggled with getting paid from international clients or you just need better options, this video is definitely for you. So let's get into it. A disclaimer before we delve into the video proper. The information in this video is for educational purposes only. The availability and functionality of these apps can change over time, and some may even have specific requirements of fees associated with their use. All that goes to say that you should always do your research and consult the service providers directly to ensure that you meet their guidelines and understand the terms of service before using any of the apps, right? First up, we have Payoneer. Payoneer gives you a virtual USD account which works like a US bank account. It is widely used by freelancers and remote workers to receive payments from sites like Amazon, Upwork, Fiverr. You receive the payment directly into your Payoneer account, and from there, you can withdraw it into your local account based in Nigeria. Or you can use the Payoneer MasterCard to spend or withdraw cash. It's a convenient, reliable, and trusted option for receiving international payments. Number 2, Wise, formerly known as TransferWise. Wise is great for freelancers or anyone looking to receive payments internationally because it allows you to receive money in USD to a virtual account. You can hold multiple currencies and convert them at exchange rates with very low fees and then just transfer them to your Nigerian bank account. The process is simple and I would say cost effective, making it a fantastic option for anyone looking to maximize their earnings. Number 3 is Stripe, which is another great option, particularly for businesses and freelancers that accept payments online. With Stripe, you can set it up on your website or app, and customers can pay with their cards in USD. Once the payment is processed, Stripe collects the funds and you can transfer them to your Nigerian account when ready. This is ideal for businesses and service providers looking to streamline their payment process. Moving on to Skrill, which is number 4 on my list. Skrill is like an online wallet where you can receive payments in USD. You have the option to keep the money in your Skrill account, convert it to Naira, or withdraw it directly into your local bank account. Skrill also offers a prepaid card that allows you to withdraw funds directly from an ATM. It is fast, secure, and perfect for anyone looking for an easy way to manage their funds. Next is Cleva, Cleva. Cleva is an app that provides a virtual USD account where you can receive funds or payments from abroad. Cleva is particularly known for its competitive rates and straightforward setup. Once you receive payments into your Cleva account, you can easily link it to your Nigerian bank account to transfer the funds. It's a popular choice amongst freelancers due to its efficiency and simplicity. Geepay is number 6 on my list. This is another excellent app to receive international payments in USD. With Geepay, you get a virtual account where you can receive payments from anywhere. Once the money hits your Geepay account, you can convert it to Naira at favorable rates or just pay it directly into your Nigerian bank account. It's user-friendly and very convenient for freelancers and small businesses that are looking for reliable payment solutions. Now let's talk about Gray, number 7. Gray also offers a virtual USD account that is amazing for receiving payments from international clients. This app allows you to convert your funds to Naira or any other currency easily. It also avails you the opportunity to transfer the funds directly to your Nigerian bank account. Additionally, Gray offers a debit card for easy spending and withdrawal, making it a very versatile option, if I should say so myself. Up next is Payzapp, which is number 8. Payzapp is an online payment service that makes receiving money in USD easy. With Payzapp, you can keep your funds in your Payzapp wallet, send them directly to your Nigerian account, or use their debit card to withdraw from an ATM. It is secure, it is user-friendly, and it is perfect for online transactions. Remitly is the 9th app I'll be sharing, apps that you can use to get money from international brands directly into your Nigerian bank account. Remitly, as the name sounds, is primarily used for receiving remittances from friends and family members based abroad. With Remitly, you can get paid in USD or the money can be transferred directly into your Nigerian bank account at a good rate. It offers flexibility with various receiving options, making it suitable for friends and family abroad to send money your way in Nigeria. Last but certainly not the least is World Remit. World Remit allows you to receive payment from abroad in different ways, such as directly into your bank account, at cash pickups, or through mobile money. It is super easy to receive USD and then convert it to Naira at competitive rates. This makes it a great choice for people with family abroad or freelancers dealing with international clients. And there you have it, y'all. 10 fantastic apps that make receiving money in dollars from Nigeria a breeze. Whether you're a freelancer, a business owner, or you're just someone that your family and friends like to send you money from abroad. The aforementioned apps are secure and I would say easy to navigate. If you found this video helpful, if you got value from it, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, sharing to your friends and family, leaving a comment in the comment section, and subscribing if you're not yet a member of the Chantel Nation family. Whatever I come across I feel like is valuable, I don't even hesitate to share it with you. That goes to say that you're going to make a great choice if you hit that subscribe button right now. All right? Also drop a comment below if you have any question or other apps that you feel like we can check out. Thank you so much for watching, and until I come your way again, don't forget to stay amazing. Mwah! Bye, y'all!
Alright. Oh, hey, I'm looking for a couch to crash on. Until night shouldn't be the night I go home with anyone. I've been out walking on the rough patch now, but I must say, living on the edge of things has been kind of fun. Look, there's a bruise right here, one or a few on there. Man, did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on the show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for living out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. You wanna break some things, alright. All of the cups are out of sight. You wanna drink 'cause I can buy. You're dancing on the table, so am I. I'm not usually the one who acts out. All those crazy little things we all kinda dream about.